Sagittarius, this message has found you for a reason. Something powerful and mysterious is approaching you. A blessing that is so rare that it can change everything in your life. The signs are all around you. Strange peace, repeating numbers, and strange heat. This does not happen by chance. The universe is indicating that your time of waiting is coming to an end. What is coming will bring the luck, love, and peace that you have been praying for a long time. Do not ignore this sign, because those who accept and believe in it will never be the same again. This could be your moment. Sagittarius, the universe has seen your silent struggle and your strong faith. You have helped others, you have smiled in the midst of pain and trusted life even when it is not fair. Now, the energy around you is changing. Something invisible but powerful is aligned for your good. A mysterious blessing is about to enter your life. A blessing that will touch your heart, home, and destiny. This is not just luck. This is a sacred time. Every tear, every delay, every rejection has silently guided you to this point. The universe is ready to reward your patience with something beautiful and lasting. Stay open, because the signs are slowly appearing before you. If you are watching this, it means that this message is for you and that what is coming will bring more surprises than you can imagine. Sagittarius, the universe wants you to stop and listen, because this moment carries a message that only your soul can understand. You have been walking in uncertainty for a long time, wondering when your moment will come. You have given so much, trusted people who did not deserve your goodness, and remained hopeful even when life tested your faith. But what you do not see, every struggle is shaping your destiny. Every closed door is not a rejection. It is a turning on the right path. The stars have quietly arranged themselves for you, preparing a divine blessing. Right now, your energy is being raised to a higher vibration. You may feel a sudden peace after a period of turmoil, or see recurring signs like ling hours minutes or pong and pu. These are confirmations from the universe that your blessing is approaching. The universe speaks in silence through timing, dreams, and feelings that you cannot explain. And now it says, your wait is over. Sagittarius, your spirit was made for growth. You were born under the sign of freedom, courage, and hope. And while the world has tried to destroy your spirit, it has not. You have experienced enough pain to know what it truly feels like. And that is why this coming blessing is so important. It will not only bring joy, it will also bring understanding. Finally, you will understand why things happened the way they did. This is not just a lucky coincidence. This is a divine alignment. In an unseen world, your name has been mentioned. Prayers you thought you had forgotten are coming back with answers. The light that was dimmed within you is shining again, brighter than ever. Remember, Sagittarius, when the universe chooses to bless you, it doesn't ask for permission. It just flows into your life in unexpected ways through people, opportunities, or moments that feel like destiny. So don't question it. Don't doubt it. Just open your heart and let it happen. Because the mysterious blessing you've been waiting for is coming your way. Sagittarius, the universe never sends blessings without signs. Before a miracle comes, the energy begins to whisper around you. Light at first and then stronger. You may not notice it right away, but these hidden signs are everywhere. They are guiding you to the mysterious blessing that is about to enter your life. Have you noticed that you keep seeing the same numbers 11 hours and 1 minute? 22 hours and 22 minutes, or pong and pu? These are angelic codes, signals from the divine world that your vibration is rising. Each number has a sacred meaning. The ling hour ling is minute, means alignment. Your thoughts and destiny are now in harmony. The 7 da and pong 7 represent spiritual reward. This is a sign that your patience is finally paying off. When you see these numbers, do not ignore them. Roll your fingers to thank them, because it means that the universe is working behind the scenes for you. Some Sagittarians have been experiencing strange dreams recently. Seeing water, bright lights, or familiar faces that have not been seen for a long time. Dreams like this are not random. They are messages from the spiritual world. Water means cleansing. Your past is being cleared. Light means awakening. Your intuition is becoming stronger. And seeing loved ones in dreams often means protection. Their spirits are watching over you to make sure you are on the right path. You may also feel a sudden sense of peace after a few days of turmoil or unexpected happiness for no reason. That is confirmation from the universe that your energy is changing. You may also notice that some people are leaving your life. Don't be sad. When blessings are near, the universe removes everything that no longer matches your frequency. It clears your path. You may also see coins, feathers, or butterflies around you, small but powerful spiritual symbols. Filipinos believe that white butterflies are messages from heaven. Coins represent upcoming wealth. Feathers mean divine protection. These are signs that the angels are nearby, ensuring that your blessings arrive safely. So Sagittarius, these signs are already all around you, subtle, divine, and personal. You don't need to chase them. Just open your heart, remain grateful, and believe. The universe has spoken. The mysterious blessing you have been waiting for a long time is closer than ever. Sagittarius, something extraordinary is about to enter your life. A blessing that carries the energy of peace, abundance, and divine protection. This mysterious blessing is silently shaping itself behind your destiny. It is waiting for the exact moment when your heart is ready to receive it. The universe does not just send blessings. It waits for the right vibration. And now, Sagittarius, your soul has reached that level. For some, this blessing will appear as unexpected financial relief, a long-awaited opportunity, a sudden success, or the return of something lost. For others, it will come through love. You will meet someone who heals you, understands your silence, and brings peace after years of emotional turmoil. And for some, it will appear as inner peace. A kind of peace that money cannot buy. Whatever form it takes, this blessing will remind you that you have not forgotten the universe. This moment marks the turning point of your story. You are moving out of the waiting period and into the receiving period. You will notice doors opening where there were once walls. You will feel ideas flowing, connections forming, and events aligning as if destiny itself is orchestrating your life. It may start small, a message, a new face, or a gentle nudge, but it will quickly grow as you are showing this time. Everything is different. You will understand why some things had to fall apart before. They are clearing the space for this exact miracle. This blessing is not just material. It comes with divine timing. It comes when your heart is at peace, not desperate. When your mind is open, not afraid. That is where the universe works in silence, in alignment with faith. So when something unexpected comes along soon, an opportunity, a sign, or a person, do not doubt it. Do not push it away. This is the mysterious blessing that the universe has promised. This is the beginning of your transformation. This is the energy of divine favor finally arriving in your life. Sagittarius, your story is about to change, not in small ways, but in ways that will make you believe again. Sagittarius, the universe can open doors for you, but only you can cross them. The mysterious blessing that is coming already exists in the form of energy. It is just waiting for your vibration to match it. In order for you to fully receive it, you must prepare your heart, mind, and spirit. Blessings do not come to those who doubt, but to those who believe even if they do not see. First, let go of your fears. The universe cannot fill a heart full of fear with new energy. Let go of your what-ifs and maybes. Whenever you begin to doubt, whisper to yourself, "All is working for my benefit." This simple statement aligns your energy with faith. Remember, Filipino hearts are strong because they are full of hope, and hope is the most powerful language the universe understands. Second, practice gratitude. Every morning, thank the universe for 3 things. Even when life feels heavy, gratitude is like a magnet. It draws more good things to you. When you appreciate small blessings, big ones come faster. If you receive goodness, share it. If you find peace, spread it. Every good energy you give out comes back magnified. Third, protect your vibration. Avoid negative people, gossip, or situations that absorb your light. Sagittarius, your spirit is like fire, bright and pure. Don't let doubt or envy of others dampen your radiance. When you are tired or confused, take some quiet time alone near nature or water. The universe often speaks through silence. Finally, act when the opportunity presents itself. The blessing may not come in the form you expected. It could be a message, a job, a new connection, or a challenge disguised as change. Don't ignore it. Walk with courage. Action is what turns potential into reality. When you do these, believe, be grateful, protect your peace and act with faith, you have fully aligned yourself with the flow of destiny. There is no need for mysterious grace to find its way to you. It will come to you on its own accord. Sagittarius, your time will not come this time. Keep your energy open. Your faith is strong and your spirit is ready. The universe is watching over you and is about to deliver what is rightfully yours. Sagittarius, before every great blessing arrives, the universe always sends a warning. Not to scare you but to protect you. Because when the light begins to shine brighter in your life, the shadows around you also move. This is a sacred moment and the universe wants you to be careful with your energy, dreams, and words. The first warning is, not everyone around you will be happy for your grace. Some smile in front of you but have a seal behind your back. Do not share every plan, every dream, or every sign you receive. The universe asks you to be silent until your miracle is complete. Remember, when the energy is new and fragile, it is easy to be disturbed by doubt or jealousy. Protect your manifestations. Just as you would protect a seed, let it grow in silence until it is strong enough to bloom. Second warning, watch your emotions. As your energy rises to a higher frequency, negativity will try to pull you back through anger, fear, or confusion. You may experience small arguments or delays that will test your patience. These are spiritual tests. Do not respond in the old way. Stay calm, breathe, and remind yourself, this is just a test. My grace is near. When you remain peaceful, you pass the test and the universe rewards you with your control. Third, beware of self-doubt. Many Sagittarians give up before their miracle arrives. When everything seems quiet, that is often the moment before success. Don't mistake silence for absence. It is preparation. The universe works in hidden layers. What you don't see is slowly building behind the curtain of reality. And finally, don't go back to the past. When grace is near, old people, memories, or temptations may return, trying to pull you back. Be wise to recognize that not everything familiar is worth a second chance. What is coming is better than what you lost. Sagittarius, this is your divine warning. Stay humble, be quiet, and stay focused. The universe is changing everything for your benefit. But it needs your protection, discipline, and faith. Hold your peace like a treasure because your miracle depends on it. Sagittarius, now that you have heard the warnings, it is time to understand the deeper truth. The final revelation that the universe has been trying to show you for a long time. Everything that has happened, every setback, heartache, and disappointment was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to prepare you. You are being molded by divine hands, made ready to receive great blessings without losing faith. The truth is you are never unlucky. You are simply being guided through a spiritual process. The universe is teaching you how to recognize true value, how to choose peace over noise, faith over fear, and self-esteem over the approval of others. The seeming ends are re-education towards your true destiny. The mysterious blessing that is about to enter your life is not random. It is the reward for your patience. Sagittarius, your sign is the traveler, the seeker of light. You were born to rise again. Over and over again, no matter how many times you fall. That is why this blessing will feel different from all the others before. It will bring a peace that calms your spirit, opportunities that align with your heart, and love that is finally safe to feel. It will come quietly but powerfully, and you will know it is true because it will not bring chaos but only clarity. The universe wants you to know that you have never been forgotten. Even when you cry silently, even when no one understands your struggles, the stars are silently aligning themselves for you. You are now entering a timeline where everything you have prayed for is slowly taking shape, slowly, beautifully, and divinely. You will come home in a moment to look back and understand that every no is protection, every loss is guidance, and every tear is watering the garden of your blessings. The light you feel around you now is not imagination. It is confirmation. Sagittarius, this is your moment. Stay in faith. Count the blessings in your life. Walk like someone who knows the universe is with them because it is with you. The final revelation is simple, but powerful. Your story is about to become a miracle. And this time, it will stay. Sagittarius, take a deep breath and feel the truth of this message in your heart. You did not find this video by accident. The universe guided you here because it knew you were ready to receive. This is a sign that your waiting period is over. From this moment on, walk in faith, not fear. The mysterious grace you have been praying for is now connected to your energy. All you have to do is believe. When you wake up tomorrow, say thank you before anything else. A single word of gratitude opens doors faster than any ritual. Look to the sky, set your goals high and claim them with it. Remember, Sagittarius, the universe does not respond to doubt. It responds to certainty. Speak as if your miracle is here because it is about to arrive. If this message touches your soul, it means the universe is confirming that it is for you. Do not ignore that nudge in your heart. Believe, receive, and let this energy flow. Before you go, bless others with this message. Share this with a friend who needs hope right now. You may be the reason their destiny changes too. Keep your spirit open, Sagittarius. Your journey from pain to purpose is almost over. The mysterious blessing is not yet here, it has only just begun.